So we got a 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid here, and we're going to check the cabin filter today, see if it needs to be replaced. It's going to be located behind the glove box, so we're going to need to lower this glove box out of the way. Our first step here is to disconnect this damper, like that. Now if we look up here, this is a glove box stopper. This stops the glove box from opening all the way. We need to just pull it towards the center on both sides. If you notice that the glove box can actually come off. I'll show you the hinges. It just comes off its hinges like that. You don't have to take it off the hinges. I just happen to do that because I'm using one hand. I'll show you exactly how to put it back together too. It's really simple. The cabin filter is located in this compartment here, so we're going to take this lid off. So right here on the right side, we're going to squeeze these guys together and pull towards us. That unlocks the door. Now notice that the door says up with an arrow, so when we put this back, we put it back exactly how it came off. And on the left side, it uses these feet right here that slide into these little sections right here. So when we put it back, we put this side together first. Now the cabin filter is retained in this container, so this one looks pretty good. It's actually in pretty good shape, but we're going to reuse the holder and just take the filter out like this. It comes right out. And on these filters, they're labeled. Okay, this one says up, so you want to put it in the correct way if you get a factory filter like that. Now when you put these back in, you want to make sure that it goes all the way back in, and it needs to sit up. See how it has this gap here? If you have it hanging out like that, it'll be down like this. You'll have a hard time putting the door back on. Okay, so if you need a filter too, I'll have some information down in the description box where you can get a filter, what the part number is and everything like that. So check that out. So you can see the door itself has these little feet on it. Go in between here. That's why you need to get it all the way in there, and we'll just put this back like this. Snap it on. Glove box door is real simple. We're just going to line up the hinges, these parts here, like this. And we just push it on. See how it's holding on? Let me just close it. And then we get the damper, and it just snaps back on like that. And you're all done.